Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me Sonia from Inner Order and Joy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can present subtraction using these golden beads. The main purpose of this lesson is to give your child a concrete experience of subtraction using these golden beads. So let's get started. Alright guys, for this lesson you need 2 or 3 sets of small number cards. Okay, I have 2 sets of small number cards, and also you need 1 set of large number cards. Okay, and of course you need golden beads, units. I have units, tens, hundreds and thousands. You need golden beads and you need some equations, whichever operation you are doing, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So you need some equations, and you need, I'm using this red string as a equal to symbol. Alright guys, so here is my small number cards and I have the large number cards, and here is my equation. Here is the equation. I have, you can do subtraction of a 4-digit number or a 3-digit number or a 2-digit number. Make sure you have the equations ready so that you can direct the child. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 4-digit equation of subtraction. So first, you can ask your child to go and get 5,678 beads in a tray from the bank, and here I'm going to show you. We can put these quantities out. So we need 5,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000, and then we need 600s, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So simultaneously also ask your child to bring the number cards. So 5,000. In a classroom setting, you can ask your child to put these small number cards on a rug so that they can easily go and bring the cards. You can, so for a video purpose, I have already kept my cards ready. That is 5,000. I have 5,000, 600, 600, and then 70. I have 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So you put the number 70, and 8. You need 8 beads.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One fell down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8. Okay. So I have 8 unit beads and I need the symbol. Okay. So I am going to make a complex number.
Okay. So this is the complex number.
So 5,678. Now ask your child to make the quantities for the second number as well in the same manner. So 3,000. So we need 3,000. Oh. Alright guys. So we are going to take a moment and explain it to your child that we are going to take away the smaller number from the bigger number. That is called subtraction. So we are going to take away 3,214 from this big number, and minus is the symbol for subtraction. So this is the symbol for subtraction. So we are going to put the symbol here and we are going to take away 3,000. So first, when you're putting the quantities, we start from 1000, but when you're doing the subtraction, when you're doing the actual operation, we go from the units. So we take away 4 units from 8. So we take away 1, 2, 3, 4 and put the symbol here. 4 units. We took away 4 units from this big number. And now we are going to take away 1, 10. We are going to take away 1, 10. Okay? And 1, 10. We are going to take away 200s. 100, 200 from this big number. And try to put the symbol 200. Now we are taking away 3000. 1000, 2000, 3000. So this is 3000. Okay? 3000. So we took away the smaller number from the bigger number. Ask your child to check it again so that you can put this away in the bank. So we have 3000. We have 3000. We are going to make the complex number 3214. Okay? So this is the complex number. So we are going to check and we are going to put these, take away these into the bank. 1, 2, 3000. We took away 3000. 200s. 1, 200s. 110 and 4 unit beads. So explain it to your child that we took away the smaller number from the bigger number and whatever is left, it goes below this line. This is the equal to line and that will be the answer for our subtraction. So let's start from the unit beads. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a bigger large set of cards. We have 4 and now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We have 6 tens, that is 60, 60. And then we have 100, 100, 200, 300 and 400. So we have 400 and then 1000, 2000. So we have 2000. Now we are going to make the complex number 2464. So the answer is whatever is left, that is the answer. So this is the answer. So this is the equation. So in Montessori education, in a Montessori school, the number placement is made in the colors. Like 3000, green is for thousands, red is for hundreds, blue is for tens and green is for units. So here is an extension for you. So you can ask your child to write the equation in the same colors so that they can relate to the number placement, to the decimal placement, like 10, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones or units. So you can go ahead and ask your child to record their answer. So they can do, once they are done with the units, they can record their answer, that is 4, and then they can record their answer 6 tens and then 4 hundreds and 2 thousands. 2 thousands. So the answer is 2464. And one more important tip is you can ask your child to read the equation, like 5678 minus 3214 is equal to 2464. So you can ask your child to write the equation in the color coded form as well, so that they can relate to the decimal placement. This way you can do to the 3-digit number or 2-digit subtraction. Also guys, please check out the description box because I have made videos on subtraction, dynamic subtraction, multiplication, division. You can check all the videos. I have updated the links in the description box below. Please do check them out. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, hit that like button and do consider subscribing, and also consider sharing this video with parents, family, friends or teachers, whoever may need this. Thank you so much for watching. Always stay joyful and stay humble. Bye bye. Take care.